Understanding Long-Sighted, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the phrase, long-sighted. This term can be a bit tricky for English learners, but don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it means and how to use it in everyday conversations. Long-sighted primarily refers to a type of vision where a person can see distant objects clearly but has difficulty seeing things up close. This condition is also known as hyperopia in medical terms. It's important not to confuse this with short-sightedness, which is the exact opposite. Interestingly, long-sighted is also used in a figurative sense. In this context, it describes someone who thinks about and plans for the future, often considering the long-term effects of their actions. This usage is quite positive, indicating foresight and prudent planning. Let's look at some examples to better understand this phrase. 1. Literal, I am long-sighted, so I need glasses for reading. 2. Figurative, her long-sighted approach to business has ensured the company's success for years to come. Notice how the context changes the meaning of the phrase. It's common to confuse long-sighted with far-sighted, another term with similar meanings. In American English, far-sighted is more commonly used to refer to the vision condition, while long-sighted is more prevalent in British English. However, both terms can be used interchangeably in their figurative sense. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of long-sighted for you. Remember, whether it's discussing vision or planning abilities, context is key to understanding its meaning. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next English learning adventure.